Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing now you know I had to do it, right? I had to do it. Yes, let's get into this Airtied Collection by Outre. Now I'm super duper excited about this collection. I have seen nothing but good reviews on this one, and I just recently reviewed Sensational Bare Lace collection, so I got something similar so I can do a compare contrast type of thing. And yeah, come on, let's just go ahead and get into who's that girl, and you can watch me put this bad boy all the way together. I'm gonna give you all her sneaky deaky details, and I'm actually gonna do this video in two parts. The first part is us just getting into who she is, her details and all that good stuff, and then the second part will just be me putting her actually all the way together and making her look good or having her make me look good, whichever comes first. So first of all, this is Outre's Airtied Collection. She is a human hair blended wig. So still kind of sort of synthetic, but she got a little bit of human hair in her. Y'all go ahead and forgive me because you know I only do my synthetic babies. You know I love it here because it's synthetically fun on this side of the road, but it is what it is. So come on, let's just open this box real quick. So this is the first time I'm actually opening this box, so this is how this thing comes. Ooh, very cute. This is her stock card, and this is how she comes packaged. Let's open up this little sticker. Ooh. I don't want to rip it because I like to keep my stuff, my boxes kind of pretty. Now I probably should have got her in the 1B, kind of like the bare lace, so I can really do a compare and contrast, but this color was calling my... She was calling me. Alright, so let's take her out the box. So this is what the wig is looking like. You can see she comes with the baby hairs. Let's get into that lace. This is what she's looking like. Oh, this color on me is going to be everything, baby. Oh, I can feel it already. I can't wait to try her on. Now, the inside of her cap, she got two combs, one in the back, adjustable straps. This is what her cap is looking like. Technically, I think she's not supposed to have... She has no tracks. Ooh, Outre. That's why she's so expensive. Outre, he trying to give Sensational run for their money. I see you. Oh baby, I see you. Oh, she is nice. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Let's go ahead and get into Miss Thing's details, shan't we? So this is Outre Airtied, like I said, human hair blend. She is in the style HHD Skeek Yaki 28 inches, and I got her in the color DR4 Tiramisu. Now she is track free, she's breathable, she's lightweight, she's glueless, she's 100% fully hand tied lace and mesh cap, which means there's like no tracks in this, no tracks. She is a 13x6, so very versatile. This way, that away, this away, that away, this away, that away. She has a vanishing HD lace. Okay, she comes in beautiful colors, the 1-1Bs and the number 2, the tiramisu, the chocolate caramel, the maple, a brown, cherry wine, ginger brown, golden swirl. Them colors are colorings. You understand what I'm saying? They look good. But I got this color because I'm just like, no, she is speaking to me. Okay, this is what the inside of the card looks like. It also shows you more details of what this wig really has, her capabilities. And the back just shows you the many different colors front to back. Now the inside of the card also says that she has a thinner and more flexible lace for a seamless melt. She's pre-plucked smaller knots. She's contoured lace. She has a contoured lace hairline, and she pre-attached elastic band, which I said already. It says Air Track free design is ultra lightweight, and its vent mesh cap allows for optimal airflow. Customize your invisible finish and part freely with the Vanish HD. Plus lace is thinner, softer, and blends more seamless into your skin. Now baby, she is just adorable. Like, she's definitely big head friendly. As you can see, her lace does come ear to ear. I would say yes, ear to ear. Oh, that's wonderful. She looks adorable. She feels adorable. The color blend on this, look at that. Did y'all see that? Because I saw it. She has a little smell to her, but nothing like chemically. It's just weird. But anyway, the hair blend is beautiful, and she is like a yaki blowout. So she's not super duper shiny. She's not giving off that Barbie look. None of that. Let me brush her out a little bit so we can see. Brush from the bottom and go to the top, folks. Brush from the bottom and go from the top. Oh, baby. You see that? She does have a little shine to her, but it's not like silky, crazy synthetic wig looking type of Barbie doll hair. Baby, she's pretty. Look at that. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and put her together. I was gonna do this in two parts, but I feel like I can probably get away with just doing this in one video. The question is, should I do a bust down middle part, bust down Tatiana, or in the side part? I don't know yet. She definitely does not shed. She hasn't. Oh my god. And she's not tangling up either. So, yeah. So far, so good. I think this wig is adorable. Fresh out the box. She's giving. I haven't done anything to her yet. She's not super duper laid down flat, but she looks good. She feels good. Let me see what I'm doing here. Y'all see that? Do you see what I see? Alright, so let me go ahead and put this wig together, and I'll be right back with my opinion on Miss Thing.